Yuck.
Yuck. I'm done now.
I'm gonna go run him a bath.
I'm truly done. Mama, can I give him a bath?
Oh, careful.
Oh, now that's a...
Careful. Oh God, it's not going down. Bite it off. There you go. You're freaking me out.
Ew.
Don't pull on it. It's going down his throat.
Ew, it is going down.
I know.
Ew.
Straight down.
Oh my gosh, it is.
No chewing required.
How does he do it?
He's 1 year old. Is that good stuff?
Not technically there.